this Mozaik tips and tricks, I'm going to show you how to change the backsplash texture so it is different from the actual countertop texture. Now you will need to be in the Tops tab. You can select the top from either the elevation view, as you can see you have your textures down here at the bottom, or you could select that top from the floor plan view and then left click on the splash JPEG. This way you can go ahead and select a countertop backsplash color and it will be different from your countertop color. As you can see, I've added a mosaic looking backsplash to the original countertop.